You'll hear the term many times that you make your money when you buy the property, and that couldn't be more true when you're coming up with your offers on the property. Hey guys, Sean Blomquist with Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. If you're checking us out on YouTube, make sure you hit subscribe and hit that notification button so you get notified when we put out new content. All right, today I wanted to talk to you about how to come up with your maximum allowable offer, essentially analyzing your deal before you make the offer. This is a critical piece, especially if you're new to the industry, because if you just go out and make an offer on a property without coming up with the repair budget or after repaired value, you most likely have already overpaid for the property before you even got into the deal. So what you want to do is actually work backwards from the end. You want to figure out that after repaired value, or ARV, in the neighborhood you're at. Once you have that value, you come up with your loan value. And if you're working with someone like us at Pine Financial Group, we'll do 70% of that end value. Once you know that 70% end value, that's your loan value. And from there, you're going to figure out your repair budget, take the repair budget away from the loan value, and then that's your maximum allowable offer, or what you want to pay for the property. If you pay more than that, you're most likely going to have to bring some money to closing. If you pay that or less, you may be able to get into it for no money down. This is a critical piece, and we see the mistake happen many times where people have overpaid before they even get into the deal. And no matter how they work the numbers, they aren't able to make it work because they've overpaid up front. You'll hear the term many times that you make your money when you buy the property, and that couldn't be more true when you're coming up with your offers on the property. If you like that content, make sure you comment below. We'd be happy to interact with you. Or if you have a deal coming up and you'd like to just run the numbers real quick, reach out to us at pinefinancialgroup.com.